What's good, y'all? It's HB Punch and Profit. We are in a hourly SIBI right now. We got our signal inversion. Let me put that advanced market structure shift right here. Okay. And let's get our little text box going. We're at the 950 1010 macro, so hopefully we get a little bit of spool in price. I apologize if you can hear any of my boys getting loud. I got two baby boys, so they may cause some noise. One time frame. I'm putting neutral for now. I don't really have a strong bias, but I'm leaning, let's say, bearish for now. I'm neutral, but this trade is saying that we're gonna go down for a little bit, at least enough for me to get about 100 points, hopefully. So neutral, but leaning bearish. Leaning bearish for now. Two, we got our inversion. Alright. Scooch this over a little bit. This is about a 3-to-1. 3, we got our advanced market structure shift. I think we got news coming out at 10 o'clock, so we'll see what happens. Okay. Let's see. Put our stop right here for stop at swing high or discretion. And then we're going to put our take profit. Now we need to gear up here because we're about to get news. So I'm going to protect this trade. Looking for at least a 3-to-1 here. I don't know if we're going to get it, but let's see. Got news coming out in about 1 minute. Take profit at least 1-to-1 or more. Okay, let's remove that hourly SIBI just to clear up the charts. That's not all. See what happens. 17 seconds till news comes out. See if we can get a push down or we're just going to push up. Hopefully we get a strong enough flush to finish out this trade. Boom. Come on, push down, baby. I was hoping we can at least get into this volume imbalance. Took out this wick right here. Let's protect our trade and go break even just a little bit below it. I'm gonna wait, see if we close and invert over this 1 minute gap. Let's see. Let's give it room to breathe for a second. If we invert this, we'll go break even. just short. Look at that. See if we can push down. I feel like if we give it room to breathe, we can get there. Probably should take some profit off the board. See, two contracts. We buy two. I think I think we can push down further. I think we got a little bit of momentum. Just being very, very difficult right now. Come on. All right, let's. Doesn't want to choose a side. Let's see. We're about to invert, so we're gonna take two contracts off if we do. This is the fair value gap I'm watching. If we invert that, I'm gonna take two contracts off. We should push a little bit further down. There is a volume in. Is that a volume balance? Yeah, that's a volume imbalance. We should at least wick into that at the very least. Sorry, that's a little bit crooked. Come on. Break down the trade after if it closes in our favor. I'm 50 10 10 macro going into the silver bullet hour. See if we can just close this bullish gap, at least wick to the volume imbalance. That's all we're asking for at this point. See if we can get a strong flush down. Come on, just wick into it. It's the grueling part about trading.
Order
Get
filled.
it. Boom. Nice trade. 3 to 1. We're done for the day, boys. All right. Nice 3 to 1 trade. So we have our inversion here. Bullish fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Okay. We get our advanced market structure shift at the blue line. We come down, very high resistance. We come back up. We wick into our entry. Okay, we put our stop at the candle just above the inversion. Maybe I'll phrase it like that. Just above, we're at the candle body high, right? And we're going to aim for a 3 to 1 risk to reward. Okay, we know it's a crazy week of trading, so we're not going to get greedy. We aim for that 3 to 1. Still going to be some nice trades. We just need to figure out what the bias is. Higher time frame is neutral for now. I don't think we've made a distinct decision on which way the market is going to go just yet. So I put neutral, but I did see a move enough for me, if I was modest in my risk to reward and take profit, modest enough for me to catch a nice move. So that was 100 point move, you guys. 100 point move. You just have to find it within the context. The way I phrase it is, look, you don't need these. I mean, that was a massive move, right? But you need to look at and frame trades in a way to where you have enough to eat. Okay, a lot of people want to catch all these crazy moves and get. In this case, 100 points worked out well, right? But a lot of people will aim for a little bit too much instead of being modest in their profit taking. You go to a buffet, you don't need to eat the whole line of food, right? You're just going there to fill up and get your dinner, all right? But in this case, it worked out right. This was a 100 point move. It was very nice. But let's go on the higher time frame. If we go on the higher time frame, let me remove all these. We came back into this hourly SIBI right here, and I'll highlight that real quick. Boom. And there's an hourly SIBI right here. So when we retrace back into here, we drop down to the lower time frame, 1 minute. Boom, we tap into it. Okay, once we tap into it, we're waiting for our signals. We get a signal right here, but we didn't sweep liquidity, right? Look at the liquidity right here. Didn't quite sweep. So you do get an inversion right here, but you don't get the advanced market structure shift, and you don't sweep the liquidity to the left. You do it right here, okay? You get your inversion. Let me take that off real quick. You get your inversion right there. You get your advanced market structure shift, and then you get that nice move. You enter in at the inversion. Okay, stop is at your discretion. If you want to play it safe, put it at the swing high. Would have worked out. I put it at the candle body high just above the inversion. I'm aiming through a 3 to 1. Okay, that was, well, not quite a 100-point move, but it was essentially close to it. All right, 3 to 1. Very nice trade. Okay, so there you go. Higher time frame. Okay, you saw a bearish enough move for you to get a nice setup in risk to reward. You go up there. Okay, you put this on the hourly chart. All right, you got this hourly SIBI. Maybe you mark that out in red. Okay, mark that out in red. You tap into it. You're waiting for your signals. Inversion, advanced market structure shift, and then you go, right? You set your order. Now remember, wait for the liquidity sweep. You could get faked out. You take this signal, you don't quite get it, right? Because no liquidity sweep, no advanced market structure shift. You come back up one more time, you sweep, then you get your signal, and then you go. You can add on at the advanced market structure shift, but that is up to you. In trade conditions like this, I'm not really looking for add-ons. I'm looking to get in. I'm looking to get out. This is HB Punch and Profit. Get at me.